Okay.
This weekend, the Euroluna team met in Italy to design details about the romit3 mission.
Okay.
So, romit3 is now under discussion. So we've seen the wheels of the other teams on a little video last time we were there, and this is how our solar panels could be sitting, this way or that way. And Søren, you're saying we need something to support them because this will leave too high a momentum on this one.
When we start spinning, yes, that will be a problem.
But the axis of rotation is around this one, isn't it?
Yes.
So therefore,
Like that.
You will have one flying away and the other one being pressed in.
yeah,
So, and this one will be
twisted.
twisted, yes.
Yeah.
So we
Which
have to
is the
figure out
argument-
how to solve that.
Which is the argument for having them like that.
Well, it's
And
perhaps also the argument for not having a set on these
On the other side.
corners, but a double set
On the other side.
on these corners.
Yeah, so you could say a set on this corner like that,
Yeah.
or even like this.
Yes, but you will always have 4 of them.
You could just have 2.
Yeah, but you will use all 4 corners.
I
Or
could
what
use
would
just
be
2
the-
corners.
We'll just use 2 corners
I mean,
instead
if
of
I-
making twice as big.
If I fold it like this,
Yes,
track, track,
you
and
can
then
do
the
that.
same further out there, and the same further out, so having it
No problem.
non-symmetrical from the start, because we know which way it goes. Okay, this makes it simpler to calculate the mass versus energy on board, number of watts, because you can say, well, we put an extra one on, or an extra one on, or an extra one on, like that.
And we'll use a string or some similar tether to keep it in the right position.
You can say when it really is spinning a lot, we could in principle just accept that it's hanging like this and like that.
But not if the other, well, then you lose some of it
lose
because
some.
it shades.
Yeah.
There'll be other
Unless you-
problems if you keep it, because if the sun is coming from here, you will have no function of these ones.
Yeah.
There will be various things, so we
So
have
you
to
could
look
say
at that one.
argument could be that they should be like this and secured with string.
Or in a 90-degree angle, so you always have one that is that's carrying the current.
Okay. Details to be
Defined, yes.
optimized, but let's say there's one conclusion here which seems to me to be very worthy of noting, which is we are not symmetrical. Not on all 4 corners.
I wouldn't throw it away, but I would say there would be some arguments for not being with 4 but only with 2.
There is also a thing to take into account with the attitude control. That is, when it's not symmetrical, it makes a little different.
Wobble.
Yeah.
But when you say not symmetrical, if it is in the string down there, you want to put